Hey, good morning. Salam alaikum, Qatar. Dear friends, Guram here. I hope you all are doing good out there. I'm at Kathi King. It's an Indian name. And in India, it's from West part, that is Calcutta. Calcutta was the capital of West Indian subcontinent during the British. Now coming back to this restaurant, it has an amazing and unique food from Calcutta. Blended, or you can say there's a fusion. You'll find over here the fusion of Western and Indian food. Really delicious. Yesterday I had over here a tea along with butter naan. It was fabulous, delicious. So today I'm having espresso. Do visit Kathi King. It's near to National Museum of Kolkata. Ambience is high. Sitting arrangement is very much unique. And it's very peaceful. No one here. And I'm enjoying every moment. Why not? So do visit Kathi King. Take care. Bye-bye.
In the cultural heart of Doha, close to the National Museum of Qatar, lies a place where aroma of spices, sizzling street food, and the spirit of old India come alive. Kolkata Restaurant. Kolkata is known worldwide for its street food traditions, and this restaurant captures that flavor. From spicy curries and flavor biryanis to delicious kebab and classic Bengali style dishes, every plate tells a story of history, migration, and tradition. The rich taste reminds visitors of the crowded food streets near Park Street and New Market in Kolkata, where food is just not eaten, it is celebrated. Really amazing, unique. For travelers, creating memories saying Kolkata Restaurant is not just a dining place, it is a cultural experience.